Here is how you can recover your Hotmail account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can recover your Hotmail account from your mobile device. So let's start. First of all, open any browser. Then after search Recover Hotmail account on the search bar. Scroll below in the search results and you will find this help with the Microsoft account recovery form. Tap on it. After you open the website, carefully read all the instructions. Then after you will see the recovery form is available at section. Tap on the link. As you can see, there is a form that you need to fill in order to recover your account. First of all, enter the email address or the phone number of the account that you are trying to recover. After that, enter an alternate email address where you will be contacted. Make sure you have access to this account. Now at the final stage, complete the puzzle it asks you and simply tap on next. As you do that, your recovery form will be submitted to the officials and they will provide you with related details and recovery options within 24 hours. So in this way, you can easily recover your Hotmail account. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.